Hello and welcome to the Believe You Can Paint channel. Today I want to do something different. I want to take a look at this set I bought from Wildspire. So it's a big box of minis called the Heroes and Animals set. It comes with 28 Wildspire miniatures. And I'm wanting to set up a game of Dungeons & Dragons for my daughter. And I really wanted to get some different animals and some anamorphic creatures. And this set was one of the best mixes I could find. So I went ahead and bought it, and I just thought I'd do an unboxing video. So I'm not going to paint in this one, so you can skip if you're looking for painting. Otherwise, let's open it up and take a look. I'm not going to grade the box because that's weird to me. I'm just going to start pulling them out here and let you take a look. So we've got like a scholar with a chain gun on his arm. I haven't looked up the backstory. These actually all belong to the Solan game that Wildspire's put out. So it's got modules and its own player handbook and monster manual that goes with it. So you can check that out on their website. Again, that's Wildspire, Heroes of Solan. So let's just go through these. I thought this one was cool. Got a big raven, it looks like, on a skull. These are some of the reasons I picked this box. Fun things like this. A kitty on the Game of Thrones-esque throne. We've got a dwarf, maybe a warrior. He looks like he has a birdhouse in his beard. And he has a bird up on his staff. And his staff may very well be made of cactus. I'm not entirely sure. It's definitely barbed, but really cool. Okay, we've got a minotaur with possibly holding a cowbell. Yeah, maybe he's a minotaur barb. He's got a cowbell and a drumstick, it looks like. Awesome. All right. We got a blacksmith, maybe a good townsfolk. We've got a half lion, maybe barbarian or fighter. I like this guy. He's a cook. Looks like he might be an elf. Got armed with his frying pan and pot lid. Just fun stuff. Fun stuff. Here's one of the standouts of the set. We've got a cat mage. Yeah, that's cool. Prints are really good too. A little bit of flash on some of them, but the plastic's solid. Good bases, good mounting. Really just overall good. I really like this guy. You could see mold lines or gaps here where pieces are put together, but I mean, not any worse than anything you'd expect from any company. I love the idea of this one. You know, who needs a donkey when you've got a lizard? This one, maybe One Piece inspired. Really cool looking. A little bit of a fail on the katana. I think we all have seen some bent blades like that. So mouth sword didn't work too well, but we can straighten that up. This was another winner. Looks like probably an armored corgi. Night corgi. It's got a saddle. My daughter will definitely be wanting to ride him. Looks like maybe, interesting. Maybe a paladin, but not entirely sure. She's got a little ferret in her backpack. That's what it's all about right there, guys. I'm going to save that one for later, I think. Okay, here we go. We got a monk. and possibly a drunken monk. He's got a beer, it looks like. We'll call it root beer. Keep it G. Hamster. Maybe a hamster warrior. I don't know. All the information for this is in the books, so I'll be taking a look at that. I took a glance last night, but didn't memorize everything, so. Yep, this guy's pretty cool. Maybe a fox or a wolf lady holding a demon head and a fireball. Cool. And we've got a bear. He's interesting. He's drinking out of a jar of some sort, or a lamp, maybe. Pretty cool. Alright, we got a mouse. And his sword, of course, is a sewing needle. Why not? I like his little shield. It has cheese on it. One of the tinier pieces. Bro, that's just a chicken. Except, check out his arms. He's a chicken run chicken. A little bit of flash on him, not too bad. I'm gonna save that one for last also. Okay, this guy's cool. I think he's a badger. Looks like a badger to me. Maybe if, I don't know, his body doesn't look very badgerous. Maybe he's a ferret. Face looked like a badger. Cute as all get out. We have a gazelle. Some other type of stag. I think he's a gazelle. I like the detail on his neck. Something better than just smooth. This one will be hard to paint smooth. We'll get it done though. Alright, we got us a primate of some sort. Maybe someone in the comments will know what kind that is. He looks adorable. Okay, we got us a cat. Again, these are small minis, and they've got really good detail. I think the price was $24.99 maybe for all of them. I mean, you might be able to do this many minis in Reaper Bones for that price, but I thought it was a great deal. Here's one that flash right on the face. That's probably the weakest one that I've seen. He's Frank the Pug, or close to it. That flash is gonna not be fun to deal with. Alright, getting down to the bottom. This is the big piece in the set. Elephant. He's really great looking. Tons of detail. A little bit of flash, again. Some gaps. Probably not going to worry about them too much. They're really for the table. Alright, so this is one I think my daughter will be interested in. So it's got a little girl mage sorcerer on the pug. Again, this piece is showing flash right on the face, so probably a bad design in how the cast was or how the mold was. Just not real great on that, but I think a file will clean it up fairly well. And we'll hide it with some contrast paint. And then this is the last piece. I thought this was a gem. My daughter's definitely going to be picking this as her piece. Just a happy little elf girl with her huge sword stuck in a dragon's head. And I just think that's fun. Not for the dragon, maybe. Alright. Last thing in the box is a card. It's like a baseball card. It says thank you from Wildspire. And then free campaign setting, PDF 200 plus pages. There's a Wildspire homebrew, Heroes of Solan, Boiler Bay. So QR code here to go download. You could just go download it and play without the minis if you want. So I'll hold that. Okay. And you can also go to wildspire.com downloads and grab them. So really, really fun little set of miniatures. And I'm probably going to be recording painting these going forward. So that's the unboxing, and watch for more videos. Thanks, guys.